Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Precious Day Vlogs. How are you all? I hope you're doing well and okay. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you guys how to make this awesome 2 ingredients Oreo cake. It is so simple to make, and guess what? It only takes 2 ingredients to make this awesome cake. So let's begin. For this, we're gonna use 1 whole packet of Oreo biscuits, which you can easily buy it in a supermarket, and just separate the cream and put it in a different bowl and put the biscuits in a different bowl. So as you all can see, the biscuits, we've separated the biscuits and the cream. Now what we're gonna do is powder the biscuits in a dry mixer, and after that we're gonna add 1/2 cup of milk into the cream, the Oreo cream, and just mix it all up. Make sure the milk is lukewarm. Now pour in the cream mixture into the Oreo biscuits and then just mix it all up. So just mix it all up until it's well combined. So as you all can see, the mixture is getting thicker and thicker, and it's eggless too. People who are vegan, they can make this at home. Please do try this amazing recipe out. Tell me in the comments, and if you like this video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up, and finally, if new to the channel, subscribe. So now we're gonna take is a bowl and add a little bit of oil, like 2-3 drops of oil, and just grease it up. Or if you want, you can put butter too. And just pour in the mixture, the batter, and microwave it for 2 minutes. If you want, you can add dark chocolate chips or some chocolate. After 2 minutes, as you all can see the results, the toothpick comes out clean. That means the cake is cooked. Now it's the time for serving it out in a plate. So we're just going to fold it over and then wait. 1, 2, 3, and as you all can see, the cake looks awesome, so delicious. Do try this amazing recipe out. Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Now's the time for cutting the cake open. I can't wait, so let's just cut it open. It's so soft. It's just made in 2 ingredients, and it's so soft from the inside, like no eggs, no baking soda, nothing. So do try this amazing recipe out. So as you all can see, yum, that looks super delicious. Now's the time for taste testing. So let's test it. Yum, that is so delicious. I'm just gonna eat it. Okay guys, the video is coming to an end. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Till then everyone, take care. Allah Hafiz.